Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to do a boomerang on Snapchat. So first of all, just go ahead to your app, so Google Play, double check if the Snapchat app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. If it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the Snapchat, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just, take a snap, right, for example, and I'm going to just show it to you how it's done. And as you can see right here, this is like the snap appearing to you. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just mute it. And as you can see right here, the video has been done, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just, save the snap, right? I'm going to save it to my library, right? So I'm going to just go ahead and click the plus one right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just add the 2-second video right here, as you can see, and I'm going to see right here the preview, right? And if I want to add another video, I'm gonna just go ahead, and do it, right? So basically, after you add the boomerang, right? And basically, as you can see right here, this is one, right? And if I wanted to add like this is another one, right? If I wanted to add like snap timer or something like that, and basically, we could just do like this, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching.